So a high-level overview of what a system migration or implementation looks like. It begins with a set of workshops and analysis. This is where my subject matter experts really get to crawl through the business and really look at how we're going to fit your organization into Dynamics 365. Once we go through that process, we are very good about identifying where it fits and where there's gaps. Gaps could be an integration. Gaps could be a special field you need to capture by customer. Could be a lot of things, but we solve the gaps and then we have a complete solution model. Once all that's agreed upon, guess what? The fun begins. We begin configuring the installation. We get sample data where you can actually begin logging in and testing the application. We drive through that configuration to the point where we're ready to conduct user acceptance testing, meaning those processes can be demonstrated and executed with your data to your specifications. As we continue to advance, learning, knowledge transfer is occurring all along the way. Your staff's growing, becoming more confident. They're seeing the vision of how this thing can really work for your organization. Conference room pilots, refinements, double check. We make sure we're not missing anything, more data pulls. And again, we plan to go live. That's not a cliff. It's more of a soft transition into using the new product with your protection, turnkey along your side all the way.